Okay, Marlene, here it is. Your insert. Just past QC. All fully assembled and checked. Very pleased with how it turned out. Boom. Got your nice spring latch doors. Boom. You got your nice grate to burn your wood on. That can just tuck up out of the way for cleaning. Right there. Boom. Then you got your lift out ashtray. That makes cleanup easier. Boom. And of course you got your speed control here. You got your off and high, medium, low. And you got your air controls for letting the air into the firebox. Here and here. Got your dual 100 CFM fans. Oh, and right back in here where those two screws are, you got a little thermostat that as soon as everything gets warm, the fans will kick on. Let's give this one more test. Warm that spot up like you had a fire built. There they go. All right. That's medium. Turn them on high. And maybe I can grab something like... Well, here's the sound. I'd say that's 5 feet away. That'll also automatically turn them off for you after the fire is gone out. Nice breeze coming out. Boom chakalaka. Fits right there just like it should. And swing the doors shut. Again, really nice little spring latch hinge. That ought to keep you warm for many decades. Enjoy.